Here I will explain how to prepare and submit the article, Indian Journal of Science and Technology. Use below link for your guidelines and new submission. Use demo video to create your account for submitting new article. Cover letter. Please mention the manuscript is original and not communicated elsewhere for publication. Please state that you have consulted all co-authors for this publications. If you are a student, please get approval from institute or department. Title page file should include topic of the article. Mention the names of all authors, co-authors with their affiliations, that means name of the department, institute, country. Please include email of all authors. Kindly identify who is the corresponding author by mentioning the name, email and phone number separately. You may also add the acknowledgement in the title page itself. Provide article title. For blind review purpose, author names and their details are not provided in this file. Add abstract with subheadings. Add the following main sections as introduction, methodology, results and discussion, conclusion and references. Use the demo PDF file to write the article for your preparation. Use the document file to create the table file. Attach tables as Word document. Put page break between tables. Figure file. Attach individually as JPEG file or OpenDoc file. Add all figures with page break between figures. Abstract should include the subheadings such as objectives, methods, findings, novelty and keywords. Mention 5 keywords. Abstract should answer the questions below. What problem was studied and why it is important? What methods were used? What are the important results? What conclusions can be drawn from the results? What is the novelty of the work and where does it go beyond previous efforts in the literature? Please include specific and quantitative results in your abstract, while ensuring that it is suitable for a broad audience. Tweak the introduction section by clearly mentioning the research gap and introduce the problem well. In other words, introduction should highlight those recent developments in the area of problem studied, should pinpoint the gaps and justify why the present work is undertaken. Methodology. Mention clearly the sample size, numbers, its demography, period of study. Mention or tabulate the test group and control groups. Mention about statistical analysis followed. In case of dataset, mention the type of dataset used, number of images considered, any cleaning or training made, what algorithm followed to test them or what modifications made, how your approach was compared with gold methods or standard algorithms. Results and discussion. Present your findings in the form either as tables or figures, but do not duplicate the same data in different forms. If all table information is included in text means, avoid the particular table. Table must be cited in the running text, Table 1, Table 2, Table 3 etc., and not as Table 1.1, Table 3.1. Similarly for figures. Compare your results with previous reports as part of discussion. Conclusion. Provide gist of your novel findings. Justify with comparative or quantitative data. Connect how the objectives are met. Mention the limitations of the current study and scope for future studies. References. Reference must follow the manuscript style Vancouver style, and include DOI number or URL for each reference. Model references are given below and in next page. You must write the references like this format. Use recent references, 2019 to 2021. Citation should be numerically increasing order given in the page. Equations and formulas must be in editable format. Use math type. Tables must be editable format, Word typed. Figures must be high quality picture. Provide high resolution pictures. In case of pictures adapted from other sources, email INDJST@gmail.com, the permission granted by the original source for reuse. Acknowledgement. Please do not acknowledge here any of the co-authors. No need to include friendly help of general nature or by means of relatives or by invoking the Almighty. Include the funding sources or institutions extending men and material support directly used in the work or skilled expert directly involved in an experiment but not included as author. For review. Review article should be written by subject DOI who has proven record of expertise in the particular field. A review will be a reference material for present researchers and it should not be encouraged for novice to write as literature survey. The research guide or mentors should make young researchers aware of the difference between technical expert review from literature survey. Thank you. After preparing the manuscript, please check the following before ready for online submission. Please submit your manuscript to Indian Journal of Science and Technology by online. https://www.indjst.org. Check if you have 1. Covering letter file. 2. Title page file. 3. Manuscript file. 4. Tables and figures files. The following file for resubmission of revised article. Rebuttal table. For author who makes resubmission, after revision, please prepare and attach a rebuttal table file also. Rebuttal table is not for new article submission. Thank you for watching our video.